Wala!
We Germs and Jackie.
Yes.
You're talking there, but we have foreign
I
guests.
know, we need to speak in English.
Yeah, that's why I was wondering why Kuya Germs is talking
Yeah,
in
why are you
English.
talking to me by
Ah, so you
Tagalog?
want me to speak English?
Yes, so that they
Okay,
can
I will
understand
start to
what
speak
you're
English.
saying.
Always ready.
Of course, ready, willing, and able.
Well, we have a group, special group here.
Okay.
All the way from New York
Yes.
City. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Hybrid Dawn Group or Band.
Hello,
Oh,
hello,
welcome.
gentlemen.
Welcome to Walang Tulugan.
Jackie, magandang
Welcome.
umaga.
Aba, magandang umaga.
Aba, mga marunong pala.
Oo, nagmamagandang umaga
Tingnan mo
siya,
ito,
ha?
pinahirapan mo. Marunong pala mag-Tagalog.
Let us ask their names first
Of
before we
course,
ask our
gentlemen,
first
can we
question.
have your
You
names?
are?
You are?
My name is Tony.
Tony?
I'm Joey. Hey, I'm Sean. And I'm Eric.
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 Oh,
Now,
yeah.
this is my...
Tukayo, ha? Tukayo,
Of
John.
course,
John.
look at John.
Yes,
Mga-
John
mga
and
gwapo
John.
mga John, di ba? Pero kay Germs and Jackie,
John and the Beanstalk.
Oh, okay naman naging beanstalk si John.
the reason why they're here in the Philippines because one of them is a Filipino.
Oh!
Wow,
Yes,
bigyan ko kayo ng
Which
prize.
Part?
If
kung
you
sino?
will guess,
Who's
if you
part
can
of Filipino?
guess, kung sino, who is the Filipino guy.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Sige.
so you want me to guess, ha?
Oh, sige, kay Germs.
Okay.
Sige, you guess.
Oh, mini, mini, mani mo.
Remind mo.
Sino?
Sige,
O
sige.
pen di Sara, pen. Kutsilyo di Amaset. Aw, di Carabao.
Sige nga,
Bow,
sino?
bow, bow, bow.
Right?
Am
Is
I
he
right?
correct?
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Don't
Ano
give
na
it.
giveaway?
Don't give it the answer first, Jackie.
Oh,
You have a choice to.
I feel it's either you or you.
Me?
No,
No!
not you.
I thought I'm not. Oh, it's either him
Him or
Eric.
Eric, yeah.
So,
I think,
okay,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, the Filipino guy is, raise your hands or stand up. My God.
I was right. At least, yeah.
I know, he's a Filipino, but this one is Ilocano. Di ba? Ah,
That's a
a
province.
place,
Yeah,
a
it's
province
place
also
here,
in the
yeah.
Philippines.
Who is Filipino? Your mom or
My
your
mother is Filipino.
Oh, okay. From where?
From the province of Quezon in Nueva Ecija. Beautiful
oh,
place.
okay.
I
Oh.
took all these guys here in last November when we were on tour there.
But you were born here or in the States?
I was born in the States.
Oh, all right. But,
do-
nice that you were
Do
able
you
to come
speak
back. here.
any of the
Just
language?
food names.
Just
and,
food names. Like what
Important.
food names?
Pancit.
Pancit.
Food
Adobo.
Shanghai.
Lumpia.
Adobo.
Adobo.
And I know how to say sarap.
Sarap.
So,
Do you like adobo?
I love adobo.
Ah, it's
How
good,
about,
no?
how about lechon?
I like
Pinakbit.
Not the sauce.
Not the sausage.
Bagong.
No bagong.
No,
No
bagong.
But my friend Sean here loves balot.
Really?
Balot?
You've tried it here?
It was it's really cool. The last time we were here, I was like, I have to try the balut because
Really?
that's the national Filipino
it's a
dish.
delicacy.
I was like, okay, who's trying it with me? Everybody else chickened out,
No.
literally.
I got
And
sick,
you know what?
man.
I will try it. So I went. While we were going to his mom's house, we
Okay.
stopped by at a side corner store. We asked for some balut, and you know, people thought it was going to be not tasty, but I loved it actually.
It's good, no?
It was really
I've
tasty.
tried it
It's
also.
really a
once.
delicacy
Yeah, it is.
here.
You know, the secret of balot, pampatigas ng
So,
tuhod.
They say, yeah.
Makes your knees
if you're weak in
stronger.
the knees, if you
You'll
need
be
extra energy,
you need to be strong.
Energetic. Especially if you are, you know.
But you know, Kuya Germ, they're spending their energy here in the Philippines for this very special album. So let's
Yes.
talk about this album.
What kind of songs and what kind of music do you...
Well, this is our second CD,
Okay.
and this one is a very diverse CD. It's got our heavy songs. We like to classify it as heavy rock groove. It's
All right.
hard rock, but
Okay.
it's kind of funky with a groove to
Okay.
it. And we got that on there. We have some light songs. We have an acoustic song. We have ballads, and
Oh, you have a
it's a
good
little bit
mixture.
of
I mean, a little bit of
everything.
everything. Yeah.
Uh-huh. And to be together, the four of you, how the history,
Yes.
how you
How did you
started.
guys
Together
meet
for
and-
long. How did
Yeah.
you get together?
We actually been the band for 3 years, and I just wanted to start a band. I put an ad on Craigslist, which is very popular.
So you guys weren't friends from before? You
No.
just put out a list and
No.
then you
Yes,
all...
we became friends afterwards. So it was
Closer.
You know, it was the internet. It's
Yeah.
the magic of the internet
Together and-
brought us together.
When you connect with someone musically, you also connect with them personally.
Yeah,
and it's a really
definitely.
good feeling.
Yeah,
to have.
that's true.
And how do you find the Philippines?
We love it. This is our second
Ay,
trip here,
oo.
and it's absolutely beautiful. Everything
people
about
are
the people
beautiful.
are so welcoming. We're so surprised.
And how do you like our show?
This is GMA7 is, we have it back in the United States. It's
Oh, Amerikano
It's a
yan,
very
ako
big
Germs,
I'm
ha?
a big fan. I watch it on Pinoy
Really?
That's the show that,
Oh.
we had to, this is our last stop on the tour. We had to do it.
And also Eat Bulaga, you said? No,
We don't
already.
eat Bulaga.
You meant to say you watch our show in the
Yeah, they
States?
have Doc with
Everyone
Germs in their home.
kind of get on SOB.
Hey guys, we were something, right?
Yes, we were
We are proud to.
big.
No wonder they know. Guys, you yell out our slogan here. 1, 2, 3.
We are very proud to be
Kapuso. Walang...
Ano yun? Ano yun? Iba yata tunog ah. Iba yata tunog.
When are you planning to come back to the Philippines, if
As soon
ever?
as you invite me.
Oh, as soon as you invite naman pala eh.
Are everybody still single? Or,
Yeah.
Yes.
I want you to meet Shalala later, right? You know?
So, I know a lot of your friends.
Shalala? Where is Shalala?
Oh my
Come here,
God.
come here.
Lala, what's up with
This is your
bow
moment.
tie?
Come here. Here, in the middle. This is your moment. Yeah. You see? This is the...
Ay,
Oh,
Ay, shalala. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Ang laki ng paa.
You
Also,
know, see, he was in the geographic,
National Geographic.
National Geographic.
So,
You said it right. You know.
so Shalala, what can you say about the guys?
Guys, are you single or double?
Everybody's
Single nga daw eh.
single.
Girl.
What do you like in a girl? Especially me.
I like your tie.
I like your ties.
Thank you, darling. Would
What?
you like to kiss me?
Ay! Kuya Germs!
Oh my...
Sige, Shalala, pagkakataon mo na
Hindi
ito.
ko kinakaya.
And you
ito.
too,
Shalala,
kiss me.
akong magsusuklay sa'yo, ha?
Ang haba ng hair mo.
Haba ng hair mo.
Ay, sobra na. Inggit si
Oh my
Van.
gosh, what about the Filipino?
Ay!
You know a lot of the fans out there. They're envious of you.
You want to bring this geographic in the States?
But their band is complete na, cannot be na eh.
No.
So just
She can
remember...
be a soloist if you want. Give them a sample. Give them a sample.
What song? What song?
Any song, any song. No, with action.
With action pa?
Yeah.
Baka naman,
Sige na.
baka naman maluma sa akin si Charis.
Sige na. Okay.
May ganito pa talaga, may tayo pa,
Oh,
di ba?
sige. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nating
And I will always love you. Oh, yeah. Will always love you. Thank you, guys.
Are you auditioning?
What is your comment? What is your comment?
Great singer.
Speechless.
Oh, great ka daw.
You're the best singer in the Philippines I've ever seen.
You agree?
Great.
Did,
I think he needs to replace me as
did
the
you
singer
have
now.
your dinner already, Nacho? There's something wrong.
But you know kay Germs, alam mo kay Germs,
Ah.
your band is enough because it's hybrid dawn. Unfortunately, Shalala is a hybrid from a Doberman and a Chihuahua.
Okay, thank you very much, guys. And hope to see you again, all right?
Kuya Germs, we have some for you. We have a CD signed. We have a gift for you.
Oh, para sa yung CD, Kuya Germs.
Our favorite show for you. We dedicated it to you.
Oh,
It's the show,
diba?
man. I hope you enjoy
Okay,
it.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm calling the attention of everybody. Don't forget to buy this album from these boys. They're so nice.
Read mo yung title ng
Ah?
album.
Ano?
Yung title ng
O,
album.
ikaw na.
basahin.
Sige na. Ikaw na.
Hindi, ikaw.
Sige, okay.
Guys,
Okay.
please buy the album of Hybrid. Ano ulit yung name niya? Don. Feel the Messenger.
That's it, you got it.
Okay?
Who's the messenger?
Sean is
Ikaw.
Wala!
Okay, from why